Morning, guys. Today we are out and about. We're going to go get the grass for the lawn. You can see, actually, I don't know if you maybe Dot already put in some of these part of the tree line that's going in. You might have saw the example on that in the last video. So here we go. We're on our way. Had to make a stop, get some coffee on the way at one of our local little coffee pop-ups. Okay, gang, we're here. Got our grass. Grass is coming. Fine grass here in Camping Pit. Putting it all on board. Have plenty of actually grass. It grows everywhere. And they just scoop it up. The ground is very, very tight. It's easily just use a flat blade, basically shovel it up and pick it up, cut it up. They have a lot of grass farms around here in Camping Pit. They said everywhere. The truck will be stacked probably even higher. But it's all good. Can't wait to put the new grass in. And we offloaded all the grass. So now, Dot's keeping it wet. We'll go ahead and get it ready. It's like 11 o'clock. Peak heat is getting ready to come on, which means it's going to be really hot. Putting this grass in. We might wait a couple hours till the afternoon. But gonna be good, Trees are already in. Looking good. Hey, good morning, guys. Morning has broken here on the farm. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can do it. Maybe I can turn this around. Pick it up. You see that? Sun coming up. Pretty nice. It's gonna be a good day. We yesterday we went and picked up the grass for the lawn and spent the better part of the afternoon putting it in. Not easy, because you want to make sure that it tampers down and all the, any of the dips in the dirt. We tried to smooth the dirt out so it was real flat, of course, and we'll probably water it a few times a day, keep it nice and moist for about a week, and then hopefully we'll have a great lawn. But right now coffee time. The beans are fresh ground from Chiang Mai area. Northern Thailand seems to grow coffee more popularly, if that's a word. But what else? Kind of slow in the mornings. You hear all the birds. Local temple on one side has the monks saying some chants. Sometimes you can hear. And then there's a elementary school down the road, and the principal or administrator or teacher maybe will say morning announcements. You can kind of hear that. But in the wee hours, when it's like 5 in the morning or whatever, some of the neighbor farms wake up and they'll play old Thai style music, and you can hear it kind of echoing through the fields. Very tranquil, very nice. Again, this views, they're not going anywhere. I like that. Hey, why don't we go take a look at the lawn? Let me see if I can do this without too much shaking. I don't have a gimbal for this camera. But look at that, huh? Hey, what a lawn. And you got the trees over there starting. A few more, yeah, I think I have a zoom in maybe. A little more of the grass. And that'll go. We got a couple more rows there, but then, hey Moonlight, we're gonna put it down over here. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of these shells, I guess, little thin paper shells that come off of the. Let's see if I can get that. Yeah, these thin paper shells come off of the tree. The original idea was for the brick retaining wall, but after careful review, we thought maybe trees out here would also root down into the dirt and shore it up and kind of hold it up there. We'll still put a walkway through there, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's take a look at the lawn. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Still needs some work. I tried to, you know, tamper down all the seams, which worked, but obviously we watered it last night and it kind of puffs up, and certainly from the morning dew, but we'll get in there. And yeah, it's quite nice. You have that view from the lawn, and then there'll be the tree line, and then of course the rice is on the back side. So it's also it's a good day. There's some clouds after we put in the grass, so it's not terribly hot burning, you know, burning the grass. But I did just this morning, I actually cut down two trees. I know, don't cut the trees. We have plenty of the same kind of trees. There was a tamarind tree there. It wasn't really that healthy, and the other tree was just an annoyance. It's a, I don't know the name of it is, but it produces just basically young flowers like that you could maybe eat, like for medicine, or you could pound them in medicine or something like that. We have about 16 of those, and so I cut those out and to open up the bamboo area. So because we're going to develop that, right, into a nice little place from the walkway into the bamboo. That'd be pretty cool. Might be something else here. It was this one I cut it back because it grows very tall and easy for snakes and stuff to jump into the house. So I just cut it back. That's our flagpole, actually. One of the first things, actually probably the first thing we put up here before we even put the foundation and stuff, was went and bought a big flag, big Thai flag. Got a big piece of bamboo cut and boom, stuck it in the ground. Pretty cool. Okay, so that's it on the front lawn. More later.